gonna grab a Capri Sun. Hi, friends. Cheers. Oh. Hi, Donna. Hi, Christy. Thank you, Ginger, for the stars. Dang, we already have a star party. Let's complete her. We're 95% to completing the star goal. That's crazy, you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Karen. Hi, Tiffany. Hey, Tony. Okay. What is for dinner? Flamin' Hots, pickles, and salad. That is what the baby wants. Don't ask me, ask the baby. Thank you, Tammy, for the stars. Hi, Amanda. Thanks, Kelly. Hi, Susan. Hi, Loretta. Thank you, Barbara, for the stars. Yes, you guys, let's complete the star party. Thank you, Lisa. I know, Debbie. Anita. Thank you, Morgan, for the stars, babe. What? I swear, my neighbor, like, I don't know what goes through my neighbor's brain. I really don't. The text I get from him, I'm like, what? Sir, I'm confused. Hi, Dora. Hey, Nettie. Thank you, Cheryl and Donna and Susanna, for your stars. I said what the baby wants. Pickles, Flamin' Hots, and salad with ranch. So that's what we're gonna have. Thank you, guys are rocking for the star party. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Robin. Yeah, let's complete the star party. Oop, oop, let's go. Oop, oop, let's go. Oop, oop, let's go. Thank you, Carol. All right, I don't need that much sugar. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Ashley. Listening while I'm at work. What time are you off? Hey, Jacqueline. Okay, so we took this little ultrasound at the last doctor visit. Oh, Debbie, that sucks. Hey, Michael. Hi, Rosalind. Yes, you guys, we're halfway through the star party. Why are we in the dark? Because I never have the lights on. Look at that. My hair tangles so easily, you guys. It's so crazy. From me laying on the couch. That's why I have a hairbrush in every single room. Makeup room, both my bathrooms, by my bed. I had one by the couch, but anymore. How will I be able to take care of the baby by myself? How does everyone else that is taking care of a baby by themselves do it? Thank you, Ashley, for the stars, my love. Oh, man. Do you have a baby bump yet? I don't think so. But I don't know. Because I have a parabelly. She's a vampire. Me? I have magical powers. I'm going to just snap my fingers and the baby's going to be fed, changed, and burped. Hi, Pamela. Hi, Rara. Okay, 1 more minute for the star party, you guys. Thank you, Janice. Here we go again. Right, it's never ending, girl. Anybody know how to get rid of this force quit applications thing on your laptop? 20 seconds, you guys. Can we complete her? 20 seconds. Just have to change some things. Other than that, you should be good. No, I think I don't have to change shit. I think I'll just be great over here. 4 seconds. Carol, Janice, Crystal, thank you guys. We missed it just by a little tiny bit. You can twice your nose. Oh, twitch. Wait, what? Twitch your nose and blink your eyes and poof, everything is done. Or I could just click my heels. All right, so what we're gonna do, you guys, is we're gonna play a little game. We're gonna play a little game of, let's see if you guys can spot the baby's head, arms. Right, Cheryl, head, arms, and abdomen, because you can't really see the legs of the baby in this one. Okay? So let's see if you guys can do it. But you can be mean, it's okay. I wasn't being mean. I was just responding to it, letting you know that I ain't gotta change shit. Hello, Betty. Hello, Christina. Hi, Michelle. How many of you guys are fans of Mrs. Rachel? Let me know down below. Ooh, thank you, Ashley, for the stars. Ooh, 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 ooh. Row. Thank you, Denise. Hi, Connie. Hi, Shannon. Do you guys want to play that game or no? See if you guys can, please don't be promoting your, what is this even linked to? Please don't be promoting whatever the hell that was on my page. We love Miss Rachel. Oh, do you guys? So does my friend Red. Okay, do you guys want to play that game or not? Where I show you the video of the ultrasound, and then you guys try to figure out where the baby's head and arms are and stuff. Because let me tell you, I had to replay this video probably like, I don't know how many times. Those ultra pics are hard to depict. Girl, my English, whack. Thank you, Ashley, for your stars, my love. I want to see some yeses in the comments. Ashley's going ham with the stars. I want to see some yeses in the comments. Let me go grab a water, because we've only drank 2 waters today. Or no, actually, I think just 1. And this is my second one. But I drink a bottle of water throughout the night, or my whole cup if I fill it up. Depends if I fill it up or not. We did get a package delivered to us. I'm assuming it's from the registry, but we're gonna wait a day or two to have a few packages for an unboxing. Thank you, Ashley, for your stars. I need some WD-40. I know. Shh. Don't yell at me. How long have we been here? Not that long, 10 minutes. So I haven't kept you guys this long. So yeah, do you guys want to play? Bum, bum, bum. I don't know why my hair looks like that. It's just the way I was fucking. Sorry, you guys. My bad. Okay, do I see some yeses? When is your due date? August. Almost finished the star party. I know. We were this close. This close. I see you, Robin. Thank you, Whitney, for your stars. You haven't made your cucumber salad in a while. Yeah, because I'm not in the mood for it. Okay. Let's see. All right, so this is how we're gonna play, you guys. Can you guys hear me fine? Did I freeze? My friend just messaged me and said I'm frozen. Am I frozen? Let me go look. Let me see if my viewers move up or down. They're fine. They're up and down, but they're not like drastic like frozen. You froze up on me. Well, yeah, I answered a phone call, but we're fine now, right? Thank you, Whitney, for the stars. Are we good? Or do I need to restart? Hi, Jed. My sister's in Australia currently. Are we good now? I know, Crystal, a lot of people commented that. How do you pronounce the baby's name? We don't have a name for the baby yet. Am I good? Thank you, Trisha, for your stars, not frozen. Okay. I'll trust y'all. So if it's wonky, talk to you. Talk to yourself. We're good. Okay. So this is how we're going to play. So I'm going to play the video. I'm going to mute the sound of it. So you guys can't be told. And no cheating. If you're in subscribers, you can't answer. If you're a supporter, you can't answer because we already know where everything is. So zip it if you're in supporters, unless you haven't, which I don't believe. Yeah, there was a lot of cheaters on this morning's live. You guys were Googling and all kinds of stuff. We're not Googling. We're not doing anything. We're just going as we're. Thank you, Ashley, for your stars. We're going as blindly as I was, except for I was told where everything is, but my ass was not seeing it. I literally had to re-watch this video over and 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 over again. I think she means last name. What? So, let's go. Usually silent watcher. Oh, don't be silent. So, I will not answer. Oh, let me turn the off. Okay. Okay. So, there's the baby, obviously. No, it won't, Chastity. Okay. That's an old wife's tale. Okay, Kelly, got it. Are we ready? Hit those hearts, you guys, if we're ready. Hit the hearts if we're ready. Ashley, the star party's been over, babe. We didn't reach it. I don't know how to follow the Chinese calendar because I don't know when I conceived. Hi, Sue. Like, literally, I'm so done with that. So if you want to figure it out for me, girl, go right ahead. Go right ahead, because I have given up. Are you going to do a gender reveal? Yes. Are you guys ready? Can I get a couple readies in the comment section? Hi, Donna. Hi, Sherry. Can I get a couple readies in the comment section? I'm going to so lose this game. Girl, you have no idea. Okay. I need to see a few readies. Let's go. Come on, guys. Or some hit the hearts or comment hearts, something. Let me see some hearts so we can get started. Wow, I have a lot of fucking pictures and videos. And this isn't even for, this is just for my new phone that I've had for 2.5 years because I don't ever back up my iClouds. I just keep the phone. All right. Okay. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so it's easier on you guys. Okay. Oh, wait. We got to mute it. Okay. All right, so this is what we're guessing. We're gonna guess where the baby's head is and where the baby's arms are. Because in this, you can't really see, you can see the abdomen and the heart flickering, fluttering, whatever you want to call it. Team blue, right, but you get the gist, okay. So this is how the V-scan works. So he's using the machine on my belly right now, and this is his phone. Or like the phone that it comes on, or the app, whatever it may be. And that's how we are seeing the baby, in case you're wondering. So I'm gonna play it again one more time. Can you guys see the flutter of the heartbeat? Okay. She said it's a boy. What? So, where do you guys think the head is? Where do you guys think the head is? Let me retrack it so when we're done, I saw the heart.
Is this what you want?
I just want the little mini pickles, just like the regular pickles.
But they have different flavors and everything, so I don't know what the fuck you want.
Hey, don't cuss. Don't be fucking mean.
Alright, so I'm gonna grab this one. Is that fine?
I can't even see it. You're so blurry.
I feel like that's the normal pickles. I don't eat pickles, so.
Yeah, if it says kosher dill, it's fine.
Alright, I'll grab that one.
Alright.
Alright, Bob.
Fucking dick. Cussing and shit. Wait, why are you guys saying boy or girl? We're not guessing gender. Even in my own ultrasound pics, I'm gonna read what everyone else says. So you're not gonna take a guess? We are guessing. Did I freeze again, you guys? Get one of each jars, right? Like, shut the fuck up and just get the regular pickles. How much more obvious can I be? Regular pickles, no flavor, just kosher dills. Okay. Let me restart the video for you guys. Be nice. Tell him to be nice. Are you mad at him? No. What the fuck? How am I the bad guy here? Jesus Christ. Hi, Jamie. Like, how the fuck am I the bad guy here? I swear, I literally, I can't do it right, ever. So we are guessing where the head is, and the little arms, and legs if you want. One more time. People need to chill, right? Like, it blows my fucking mind. He literally cussed at me, but I'm mad at him. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why would she be mad at him? She just wants her damn pickles. Right. And you cussed at me first. And I said, be fucking nice. The fuck? Okay. So. Okay, Frank. Head is on the top. Head is on the top. The big bubble. Arms in front. Head down on your left side. Head down on my left side. Looks like he did a somersault. Hello, Lindsay. Let me turn off these requests. I can't see it. I didn't hear him. You didn't hear what? Hello, Carolyn. Head on the bottom. Head is up top, looking down. Head on top. Head on top bit. Then looks like he did a somersault. Oh, please leave Ania alone and play the game. Right. Worry about your fucking self. If you don't want to play this game and try to tell me to be nice, then just see yourself the fuck out. Simple as that. Because I literally wasn't even being mean. Hi, Jenny. Oh, she thought the baby's name was pierogi? No, that's just a Polish stuffed dumpling. Head on top, arms in front. Okay, you guys, final guesses. So the head on top, head is up, arm and legs below head, I hope. Head is the biggest circle on top. Hi, Destiny. I'm gonna play it one more time. If someone doesn't know where their head is, they have obviously never been preggo or are just dumb. Bitch, are you calling me dumb? Because I didn't know where the fucking head was. Girl. I had no idea. And even if you've been pregnant, it's still sometimes so hard. I missed the video, so can't help you out. We're replaying it. Frank's snoring. We're going to replay it 3 more times, so 2 more times left. You guys hear Frank? Okay, one last time, so pay attention. I'll even zoom it in for you guys on the laptop. One more time. Are we ready? So that he was just taking pictures to airdrop to me. Okay. One last time, put your votes in. Put your votes in. The baby was like about a little bit lower than my belly button. It was still in like the pubic bone area. Oh my gosh, y'all, can we not argue, please and thank you? Let me just hide it. Is that your dog snoring? Yeah. So where do you guys think the head is? Up or down? Up or down? Ooh, kiddos, Frank. It reminds me of the picture on my half and half container. What? Got yours, got your vote, Alicia. Girl, what, Samantha? I know, he snores so loud. Okay. A lot of you guys are saying the head is at the top. You are incorrect, though. You are incorrect. So, let me show y'all. Let me outline. Okay. That is where the baby's head is. I'll send you a pic. Okay, I won't be able to look at it right now. That is where the baby's head is. So there's the baby's head. Okay. We think the baby's arm outline is right there, but I didn't have the doctor tell us that. They just said where the head was. And then obviously the little flutter, this is all of the baby's abdomen. The baby's abdomen is still a pretty big part of the baby. I am Tamara. I hope you're having a good day. From looking from the outline, let me flip it over for you guys so you can kind of see it better. The baby looks like they've got my Whoville nose. Thank you, Addie, for your stars. Still early? Yeah, obviously. So yeah, when you flip it, the baby was upside down. So when you flip it, you can see it better. Can you guys see it now? Now like that, I can see where the head is. You know how many times I replayed this damn video? I'm like, look at that nose. It looks like my nose. But obviously it's still too early to tell, but I'm like, oh my gosh. Do you guys see it? I mean, gosh bless, look at that thing. It's right there. Honk, honk. The heart rate when I first went, Pamela, was 151. Isn't that crazy? Damn, Frank. Can you guys see where the head is? It's right here, girl. Literally, the head is right there. And then there's the body. There's the body. I need your sleep, my guy, every single day, girl. I didn't see it either. You know how many times I had to rewatch this? Even though in the video he tells me exactly where the head is, I still had to rewatch it, and then I had to capture it at exactly this moment to be like, oh, okay. Hi, Renee. Hey, Donna. So, isn't that crazy? 13 weeks today, Brie. We did the gender test. Yeah, it looks like a little Whoville, but obviously it's a little too early to tell, but who knows? Maybe that's not even the nose. Maybe that's like the baby's arms and its mouth, because the baby is currently finding its whatever it may be. You see an eyeball too? And according to the app that I follow, this is what, excuse me. According to the app I follow, this is how the baby looks, which I think is crazy. Alicia, I got the gender blood work done. Girl, heart rates are fast. I don't believe any of those. Are you going to do one of those 3D ultrasounds? I want to, but they kind of creep me out. But this was this morning, and I can't click it to like get all the information of everything. Like what the baby measures and all of that, because it asks me to select the gender of the baby. Oh, what the heck, Michael? That's funny. So cute, girl, and I'm ecstatic for you. Thank you. That looks bigger than normal. At 13 weeks? You had yours, and I'm scared to try again. Don't, Alicia. My daughter didn't have the 3D. She said it was creepy. I think it's creepy too. I think it's so creepy. Like when I went to the sneak peek in July, I was like, what the hell? Definitely was like creeped out. I was like, what is happening here? Oh. I mean on the app. Oh, well, I mean, it's zoomed in. When you like zoom out on the app, it's teeny tiny. It's like measuring like 2.5 inches. I bought all girl stuff, had to buy an outfit for my son at the gift shop. Oh my gosh. All the way up until delivery, they thought you were having a girl. That's crazy. Hi, Kathy. How are you? I wish I could sleep like Frank. Just take a moment and just... This is every day of my life. Babas. Babas. Hey, yo. Babas. Hi. Is him just asleep in beauty? Or what's him doing? Him ready for dinner? Hmm? That ain't even his bed, Angela. It's my dang blanket basket, but it's now his bed. Like, when we move, he's just gonna have that as his bed. Did I miss it? You sure did, but I'm about to jump up here, so it'll be a-okay. Yeah, he's so much better. I've limited it to how often and how much I walk him, so I think that's helped a lot. Look at the Chinese birth chart for gender. You guys can figure that out for me, because I don't know how to do that shit. Not a clue. I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, no idea when I conceived, nothing. So I just didn't even do that. Is he broken? Kinda. Kinda. Supporters will know the gender first, my love. Good night. Sweet dreams. Okay. Yeah, we do have names. We've talked about names and supporters too. All right, you guys. On that note, that is all I wanted to show y'all. I don't know if I'll be back on live or if I'll be in supporters. We've just been lazy today. Pretty freaking lazy. We've been doing laundry, so I guess not too lazy, but lazy. And I need to do the dishes. But if you do catch the replay, make sure you hashtag replay. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope everybody has a wonderful night and stay safe. Have fun, enjoy yourself, and I will. Thank you, Francisca. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for being here, a part of my journey. If you're not in supporters, I highly suggest subscribing. There's going to be a lot of baby stuff in there. Like you know? And everybody in supporters finds out first before regular life. So keep that in mind, you guys. That's the whole point of supporters, is to get a little bit of extra content. So don't try to exclude anyone, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Yeah, Debbie, I sure hope the fuck he does. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Where's my balloons? Bye.